Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about the English language, English learning, why it is necessary to learn the English language, whether we should learn this language or not, or whether we should learn our national language. And national language is actually everybody can learn easily because all the subjects were taught in national language, and sometimes we need to learn the international language, and international language is the English language. You know that in most of the countries this language is considered very special to learn because you can communicate through this language with anybody around the world. If you visit in different countries and if you know the English language, then you will feel good atmosphere, because when you are in a country where you don't know the language of there, and they don't know the language of yours, and then you feel the lonely. And if you know the English language, you will find someone that speaks the English language, and you can communicate with that person easily. Or most of the educated people know the English language. In this way you will feel good while traveling around the world. And because there are some people, those are willing to travel around the world, and if they know the English language, they can travel very easily. They can get the guidance from some educated people there, and they can get the company of those, and they can communicate with each other through English language, because sometimes the languages of both countries are different, and you cannot understand each other languages, and the only language that makes the bridge between you, that give you the facility, that is the English language. And with the help of this language you can do a lot of things. You can understand a lot of things, you can read a lot of books, you can go through the social media, you will find a lot of books, lot of e-books, you can say, and other stuff in English language. And to learn this language, I think that basically you should be the stout person, interested, devoted person. And if you had been learning this language from your childhood, then it's okay, it will be easy for you to learn this language on advanced level. But if you just started to learn language, I think age does not matter. In any age you can learn the language if you are interested, but you should be healthy, because you know that health is the wealth. First and very important thing is the health. If you are healthy, you can do lot of things. If you are unhealthy, you cannot speak, you cannot utter anything. You are laying on the bed, and your mind is not working, and then what can you do? So consider the health first of all. Health is very important, because I have seen that some people give preference to the wealth, that oh, I should be wealthy, if I have wealth then I can do lot of things. But I think this is not the reality. First of all, wealth is necessary for your life, but health is too much necessary. First priority should be given to the health. If you are healthy, you can do anything. I'm healthy, so I'm in front of camera and I'm speaking to you. If I'm not healthy, I'm laying on the bed, then how can it will be possible for me to come in front of the camera and speak out some words for you? So I prefer the health a lot. And for learning the language, I was talking about the language. It is very necessary that you should be basically good in English language. Then it will be easy for you. But if right now you have understood that a wish came in your mind or that you are willing to learn the English language, or you want to visit some other countries where their first language is English language, and you are thinking that you will find some people there, those will speak with you in English language, and if you are not able to speak the English language, then it will not good for you. So you want to learn some sentences or a little English language, then you can learn on daily basis. Sentences you can learn easily, but when it comes to learn the advanced level, I think it requires lot of time and a lot of hard work. Without hard work you can do nothing, and you will have to do the practice, and you know that making again and again practice will makes you the perfect. And when we speak or when we do the practical experience, then we will make ourselves able to speak the language. You know that if you read the books that how to drive a vehicle, then by reading the books it's okay, you will get the knowledge, but by reading the books you cannot you are not able to drive the vehicle. To drive the vehicle you will have to go inside the vehicle and start driving there practically. So theory is necessary, but practical is too much necessary. Without practical you will not be able to speak the language, and you will have to speak with friends, colleagues, family members. Search some friends those know the English language, or any family member that knows the English language good, better than you. You can start speaking the language with that person, and in this way you will make your practical experience. But if you are willing to, you have not learned the English language, but you are willing to that your children should learn the English language, then you can guide your children's. You can give support to them. You can purchase some good books for them. You can browse some channels, beautiful channels, those speaks in English language. You can tell them that watch these videos to improve your English language, because there are too much stuff uploaded, and sometimes you are not able to understand the accent of other people. Then from basic you should listen the accent of your native speakers. When you listen the native speakers, their accent is similar to you, and you will be able to understand easily. When you feel that right now you can understand the accent of your national speakers, your native speakers, then you can watch some others people accent, because there are different accent in each and every country's people's accent is different when they comes to speak the English language, when they come to speak the English language. So I think accent matters, but first of all you should listen and watch videos in your native accent. When you understand that you are right now expert in this accent, you can easily understand your native accent, then you can watch videos in British accent, American accent, in other accents. There are so many accents. You can search on social media the videos of any country, and you can easily watch the videos and improve your English learning skills. Hope you find this video useful, and before leaving this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and with the beautiful message that we all are human beings and we should love each other without discrimination. Allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.